How to fix Instagram login problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Facebook app and click on it. It will take you directly into the app informations page. So all what you want to do here is click on force stop, click on notifications management, and make sure to enable all the notifications right here, and then go back, click on the permissions and make sure also to enable all permissions. Go back and then click on the data usage right here. Now here you will find the network access. Disable all those options and enable them back like this. Go back, and now the last thing you want to do here is click on the storage, click on clear data and click delete, and then go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.